Istria is best known for its picturesque seaside towns, but today we will head to Istria's Green Heart, where there is a rustic property for sale. In a quiet location in central Istria, there is a property that extends over 4,300 square meters. This property was built in 1830s and consists of a main house and additional house with spacious garden plot. The entrance to the ground floor is through an arch built in local stone. The central house is an impressive building that once probably served as a home for a rich landowner, and today it could be an ideal location for the development of rural tourism, for the construction of a luxury villa or a mini hotel for lovers of peace and quiet. The living space of the main house consists of the ground floor, first floor and attic. Even in this state, this property looks magical, and just imagine how fantastic it would look after renovation. Thanks for watching and see you soon!